Yo, what up? Yo, what up, CT? Yo, what up, Dell? Oh, man. I just passed this. Just freaking slam some accounts. You got nice. Nice. I had issues this morning. I got into a trade in Apex in a copy trader, and my fucking copy trader shit itself. The connection stopped, and I couldn't get out of the position. So I lost like $300 in a bunch of fucking accounts. And now I'm just waiting for something really good. Stupidity. And I'm crushing it everywhere else. Like, I can get more in this account today. Debating. Oh, Ali. Yo, I learned that lesson a while. I don't trade during Asia. This is what my copy trader did to me today. I wonder if it has to do because I have multiple copy traders up. Like, I created 3 different replicantos that are up instead of the normal one. Yo, Dell, Sean did that to me the other day, man. He didn't tell me the rules. What up, Jay Styles? Yo, definitely not 305. It always happens at the open or whatever the thing is. Oh, hold on. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Yeah, happy birthday. Have fun. Oh, fuck. Yo, it's always at the open is the trade. Like, the trade always happens at like the time. So it would happen at 3 p.m. It's just determining your range prior. This is not an A+ setup, by the way. Yo! Nah, I think it was. Oh, I thought it was 2:59. I didn't know it was 5 minutes leading. Uh-oh. Knob, you and Long? I feel less confident. After what you were saying yesterday? I would like it to range back into the upper range. What's Tesla doing? Tesla's just kind of hanging there. Tesla hanging, doing Tesla things. Are they going to fucking push this or what? Come on. Push it for me. I'm taking it. I don't want to lose my gains. Shit's going slow. I may actually need surgery on my rear end. Oh, geez. One of those days. CT, I copy traded 3 accounts on that news and got 2 G's. Yo, I didn't realize that Project X actually gets you out at the right price. So I copy traded these accounts. And when you trade in Tradeivate, if I set my take profit at $2,000, it blows right past it, right? So I was like, oh, I'll set it for 2,000. I'll probably get out at like 3,500 or whatever, because that's what always happens. But no, they got out exactly at 2,000. And then I ended up getting this one up. That's that one. And then this one I passed. They got you for one more round. Sean, it's almost better to just have it on a Monday. Honestly, like, I don't want to go into the weekend getting smoked. So, like, I'll probably be 300 in my funded account here. I'm probably done. I'll probably try to pass all of these today, or at least 3 of them. I got 2 I got 1 passed already. If I get past 2 more, that'll be my max. And if I could flip these green, woo! Flip getting that payout money. How much more do you need? CT, that works for me. Concerned about my consistency with bull nuts. What, the 40% consistency? Bro, I'm going to have my landscaper in my fucking ear in about 5 minutes. I mean, you can go back and do the math. You could math it if you wanted to. Yo. Yo, I did design. What? You don't trade at bull nuts? Yo, I said it this morning and I fucking can't stop laughing about it. Yo, I put it in the chat talking about bull nuts. And I can't fucking stop. That's what it's called for me now. Yo, it needs to go back to 91% off. Yo, are you around during lunch today, Dal, or no? I was gonna stream in the Discord from 12 to 2. We're gonna do I'll do an account giveaway in there. Yeah, we'll stream in the Discord 12 to 2. I'll do a My Funded Futures giveaway in there. And then we'll roll to I'm gonna roll to the live at 2:15. I just like the Discord during lunch because I can just share just my screen and I could fucking eat. And I don't have you guys watching me eat bananas. I can have my food, chill out. One of you guys could take over the stream if you want. Like anybody else that wants to raise their hand and show their screen can. It'll be super flexible. What up, DBT? Crisscrossing streams. See what I got. I need to load the boat on that. Actually, let me grab one. Ding, 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 ding. What's up, Nazik? Anyone catch the oil long? I did not. Yo, eating corn on the cob lengthwise all the time. What up, David? Super freak. I liked her. She was cool. I wonder if I'm going to get invited back. Just start this account off with some. Yo, it was so weird. The guy texted me like, "Nice to have you today," and I responded back like, "Yo, let me know if you want to do this again," and I just never heard back. Let's see if they never got back to me. Nothing. Nada. I got ghosted. Let me see if he texted me. I don't even think he texted me back. I'm looking through my I'm just seeing if he texted me. Yo, we don't feel like you're a good fit at this time. I guess. I don't know. What up, George? I don't know. They never texted me back. I'm just scrolling. Oh yeah, here it is. Had a great time. Apparently, they did not have a good time, I guess. Apparently, they didn't have a good time as I did. I don't know. We'll see. Thank you, Ali. Yeah, I don't know what the deal is. Obviously I'm going to I don't know. I haven't heard anything from them. So we'll see. They gave me 3 accounts to give out to you guys. I asked for accounts and I asked them if I can give them out and they said yeah. So that was a plus, right? Yo, I'm just sitting wondering. Do I get so many text messages? Um I have 1711 unread text messages. Honestly, I'm just waiting for this action to happen. I would have crushed it this morning. I had one mishap with Replicanto. Other than that, what do I have to get to for a payout? Yo, pretty much. What do I got to get to for a payout? I got like 850. I got to get to 2,100 in this account. Shit. $2,125. That's not cool. What up, Jack? Your style of trading does not align with our corporate goals. That's kind of what Topstep told me. That's around the lines that I was told with them. I was like, I'm on your stream. I went 5 for 5. I don't know what the issue is. I guess 5 for 5 was too good. Actually, my win rate on Topstep TV was like, I think I only had like 1 or 2 losers. Dude, I had a ridiculous win rate on Topstep TV. Shit was wild. I'm freaking tired. I would say we're going to grind up, but we're up a lot for like a Friday. For like Friday, I feel like we're going to head south here. I actually thought we would round trip it back down to like 658. That's honestly, dude, crazy prediction. We go back to 658 today. Yo, to complete the Infinity Stones, what do you got? One of everything, Dell? Now, wait, My Funded Futures, you have all the different accounts? I don't even know what some of those accounts do. Like, what's eval alive? Like, anybody ever trade eval alive in here? Yo, what up, Waldo? I've never traded some of those because I don't even understand it. I actually told the guy that. We were like, before I got on the show, I was like, bro, what do some of these accounts even do? Bro, we need some Trump Elon shit to go on right now. Eval alive flip. What up, Vince? You make 3K twice. They pay you 2,000 and you have a live account. So you make 3,000. So normally you got to make 3,000 and then you get a funded account, right? And then you make another 3,000 and you typically could pull out. So what's the bonus? Because that seems about right? Yo, eval to dead. Yeah, I just don't. For $400 something, I just don't get it. Yeah, Amelia, I don't understand like the benefit. I just don't get it. Dude, we're like stuck. We are just stuck. I guess if you wanted to short, you short in 45 is your. Let's see what happens. I don't know. I might take this off at 9 or something. I don't know if it gets down there. Yo, I don't understand how he posts gains all the time. CT, I see his thumbnail like, yo, I just made X amount of dollars. I'm like, but I just heard you lost money yesterday. I took this off 40 bucks. I'm trying to get back. I'm trying to inch my way back to green. Yo, I don't understand though, because his thumbnail yesterday was like, made money in all my accounts, and he just loses all the time. Makes it back after the stream ends? Bro. Yo, hold on one second. Yo, check this out. Yo, I'm going to throw the red flag on that one. Yo, we're going to need to challenge that. Hey, Matt, we're going to challenge making it back after the stream ends, my man. You ready? Woo! Yo, I don't believe that. No. Yeah, we're going to have to challenge the play on that one. Yo, every day you lose on the stream, but you make it back after the stream ends. Yeah, okay. What up, Walter? I watched him a week. Yeah. What I don't get is green after the stream doesn't help anybody. What does green after the stream help you? People want to see the wins. They want to learn. Got to go to the booth review on that. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, I just threw the red flag. I threw the red flag on that one. Oh, that's what I need to switch to. I need to change these pirate things to stock market things. It's on my list. Maybe I'll do that this weekend. If somebody reminds me, all the things are going to become stock market related. And we're going to make it fun. It's called Photoshop or something. I just don't understand how you can lose every day, but yet make it back after the stream. I don't understand. They'll say they can't show their trades. Yo, red flag on that one too. Yo, this is my dad left an oven mitt at my house randomly like a year ago. And I don't know how it ended up in my office. But now it's my challenge flag for the Furus. My Furu challenge flag. Can't show their trades. Flag on the play. Yeah. Wait. Let's see if I get a good one here. Yo, what's up, Mara? Dude, it's just a lie. It's just a lie. You know what's crazy is the Twitter Furus. It was before, I would say like 2019 was bad, but once COVID happened, it got crazy on Twitter. Crazy, crazy. Yo, every time you say you make back the money after you get smoked on the stream.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
What up, Xanax? Congratulations. You played yourself. Man, this is getting just tight. I refuse to get yo-yoed. Oh, I'm going to turn these green. I just got to wait. Yo, what up, Joseph? Yo, I'm going to be honest with you, man. Only because you said you went full time, right? I would look into making money in all types of the market. I only say that because if you're full time and you get into chop, you can milk options premium and stuff like that. It's not that big of a deal. Selling farts in a jar works too. Dude, I will say though, it doesn't look bad to the up. But you're like, you can easily come down to 11. What up, Racer? Dude, I don't have a Kroger by me. Kind of wish I did. You know what I wish I had by me? Wegmans. All right, I'm going to go right here. Let's see if we see high a day. Actually, for safety reasons, let's see if I can just get out. Push it. Keep pushing. Bro, we're right there. Just get me at 49. Oh, what the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Yo, I got out though. 63 bucks. Bro, what was that? Dude, I'd have been so pissed if that took me out right here and then went up. Yo. So mad. Yeah, but that's kind of I don't know why it went down first. Shit went down first. I mean, either way, I got 63 in, I don't know, a lot of fucking accounts. Ah, yeah. Yep. That will do it. That will definitely do it. Still long? Dude. Dude, that will blow you out of your position, though. What the fuck is up so much in my account? Oh. Oh, man, today's a good day. All right, let's get this chop done with. Honestly, I think you have a better move to the downside than the upside. How's that sound? I only say that because I look, when you look at the higher time frames, I just feel like the bigger move is probably not going to be up. I would say you have a better chance of coming down 150 points and then going up rather than just going up from here. Obviously, anything could happen. News can come out. A tweet can come out. Anything can change this. But I think from a perspective of intraday trading, you probably have a bigger move to the downside than the upside. Also, we're already up. We're already up a bunch. You're already up, 1.2%. Bro, is this guy going to blow his leaf blower on my fucking face? Look where we stop at the high, right at the bottom of the F. Yeah. I'm telling you, that's why you put them on the chart, Fred. I don't love taking a short here, just throwing it out there. The reason I don't like taking a short right here is there's just too much stuff going on. I want to see like a spike and then you take the short. Just like I like the dump and then you take the long. I want to see like a V shape one way. Bro, Ali, this guy's blowing the leaf blower right outside my fucking window. Let me see if I move this mic in front of me to block some of the fucking sound. Is this better? I'll just talk like this. Yo. By the way, anybody that's in here, we're going to stream live during lunchtime at 12 o'clock in Discord. If you want to keep this fucking party going, we're going to do Jamdale. We're going to do a live trading Discord. If you want to raise your hand, you could share your screen. You could talk. It'll be like an open platform for anybody that wants to join in. Yo, what up, Slade? Go to filters in mic under Streamlabs. All right, hold on 1 second. I'm not using the desktop version, though. Just so you know. I'm using Talk Studio, not the desktop version. I'm in there. I don't see it. Yo, Maria got let out of jail today. I got to look at doing the desktop one though, Slade. Oh man. But yeah, if you ever wanted to share your screen, and even if you're not profitable, like you got questions like, hey, this is my setup, what should I do? You know, it's a good time. You could share your screen, put it on the Discord. We can help you out maybe. Or if you want to talk about your strategy to everybody, it's a good opportunity. I think we're going to start doing it more often. I'll be honest with you, Kevin. Ever since my Replicanto messed up, I've been positive. I mean, I completed this one for today. I ended up passing one of these. I passed this one, got 1,500 in this one. All these are obviously up $2,000. I didn't really trade there. Not really trade there. I'm going to flip these green. I think eventually we are going to go test the bottom of this news candle, but we'll see. We shall see. What up, Sovereignty? Yo. No, Kevin. What happens is I forget to disconnect and reconnect. So my connection is, I guess, still going from yesterday. I don't know. It's happened a couple times where the connection just disconnects. Maybe it's not has anything to do because the other ones stay, like Topstep stays connected. I don't really know why the other ones get disconnected. But yeah, Apex drops the connection. I don't think it's Replicanto's fault because other firms keep the connection. So I'm not going to drop them. Yeah, I use no, I did not use Replicanto. No, I did I was in Project X with Bulenox. I was using Bullnuts for copy trading. The Bullnuts trade Project X. I mean, you've been making money, Dell. You've been doing well. Man, they just fuck. Honestly, this is bearish. It should have broken out. I think if we come back up a little bit, I'm gonna take a I want to see us come back up, and my stop would probably be like 46. I didn't pass one. I got $2,000 in 3 accounts. Primarily because when I trade in Tradeivate, there's slippage. So I just wanted to make 2,000, but I usually get I usually make like 4,000 because it goes way past. Apparently, Project X isn't like that. I'll take a small shot right here. Super small. No, didn't even fucking hold. What a dump. What's causing it? Tesla just dumped $5. Yeah. Could be anything. I'm just looking. I'm just looking at this. I think it's Tesla. Tesla's dumping. Tesla's down $6 now. I don't know if Trump tweeted at Elon or something. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I'm just looking at my other screen. That was a good fucking short, too. I didn't get triggered really on it. I'm just waiting. Should have been handled in private, 1,000%. There we go. I want to see it blow past. If it blows past here, I'm gonna move my stop up. Come on. Get over the 200. All right, I'm moving my stop up because I fucking love. Come on, baby. It's right at resistance. Come on. Break through. Nope. Either way, a good trade. I took a 30-second invert fair value gap inversion is what I took. That's how I got in that trade. 30-second. Yeah, I mean, I'm out already. I took the inversion. I'm out. I'm outie. Uh-oh. I got some fucking text messages here. Yeah, now green slightly above a. Yeah, I'll tell you what, being up 100 on a lot of accounts is a win. I mean, being green is a win. People don't realize that. I mean, can this keep going? Yeah. I'm not loving it. So, listen, I got my game. I'm just going to try working these accounts down. That's all I'm doing. Well, going. Yo, what up, funding traders? What up? What up? Yo, yeah, I mean, that was the move. The move was grabbing it right off the bottom there. I mean, I just don't trust it. I mean, I got in good. This is like the last little account that I need before I think we're going to dump it here. Energy is high here. What do you want to listen to some boring ass stream with some guy who's like 75 fucking telling you how it was, 40 fucking years ago? I'm just messing around. But yeah, we like to have some fun, like to take money out and get payouts. I like all people. Listen, I like all the streams. It's just some streams I listen to when I can't go to sleep and I'm like, yo, I need to put this guy's stream on. And then all of a sudden I would just wake up and it's fucking 6 a.m. already. It's crazy. Yeah. Marco, all or nothing. I kind of like it. I don't dislike it. Morning, Garen. Yo, what is that? 72? What is that? 100 points? I kind of want to take one. I'll just leave this. I'm going to let this one move around. See what happens. Oh man. Yo, funding traders, what are you trading? What do you got going on? Lost connection right after an ad? Oh, dude, I've been there, man. I have been there too many times. I'm cash. I call it Flat Friday. Dude, cash is a position. Cash is definitely a position. What up, Monet? You know what? I'm fucking looking at something on my other screen. I'm not loving this. I'm not really loving this. I got some other stuff pulled up here. I'm just gonna get out of this, I think. If I get stopped here, I'm out. I lowered my whole stop. Should have looked at all my charts. I did not. I just want to see if I get stopped. I'm gonna cancel. Actually, I'll just cancel this one anyways. Yo, what up, Monet? Yeah, see. I think it's going to trade all the way back up to at least in here. This is where I want to grab it, somewhere in this breaker. Yo, did you stay in Tesla down again? Wait, did you say Tesla is down? Nah, it's up. I'm glad I sold some of it yesterday. I did not give my Tesla gains all back today. What did I do today? So I made, I don't know what, I think I made 2,300 on Tesla yesterday. I did not give it back today, and I'm holding some for a while. See what happens. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, what do you? Oh. Yeah, see, that's why I got out. Yo, this is another one, man. I entered at 63 to the long side and got out. I got out early. I had some premature cellulation today. Yeah, I got out at 82. I'll be honest with you, I probably would have got out on this spike probably. Because once we came back below the 200, I don't know, probably would have been out. By the way, we're going to be live streaming in Discord from 12 to 2, and we're going to do an account giveaway there if you want to join. Also, if you want to share your screen, you'll be able to share your screen and you'll be able to talk if you want to talk. It's going to be like a kind of like an open platform. You basically hit the button, you raise your hand, and you could be invited on. Bro, I saw some Diddy reel today. He's Diddy Ball Z, so it's like Dragon Ball Z. Bro, whoever made this, I fucking died laughing. Died laughing. Diddy Ball Z. Yo, I'll be honest with you. It's not worth it if it's not your trade setup, Joseph. Otherwise, you're going to get stuck. Yeah. Yeah, Fred. Micros get paid, man. You can get paid with micros. Get that micro payday. Yo, I was just talking to dude, I was just talking to Cube, and Cube was telling me how he only trades 3 micros and he's getting payouts. I trade minis mostly, but not when I copy trade 5 or 8 accounts. Wouldn't mind getting this one up just a little bit. Bang, boom, 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 boom. Yeah, go slow, man. Take it slow. Yo, are they going to negotiate to pay you less like they did Dr. T? Asking for a friend. Asking for a friend. They Yo, they could change the rules to make it super easy, but there's too many stories about Elite not paying people. Yeah. Crazy. People changing rules. Yeah. Yo, Dr. T requested a payout and they negotiated a lower payout with him. Like, what the fuck? Negotiated a lesser payout? Get the fuck out of here. How about I negotiate paying you less for an account? Dude, I've heard horror stories about Elite. Yo, that's not promoting fucking straight degenerate behavior, Amelia. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm all about straight degenerate behavior sometimes, but that's just straight up promoting it. Damn. Yo, I would, yeah. If that's crazy. Yo, the monthly fees are expensive over there. Yeah. Like they used to say back then, I'm Audi 5000. Yeah. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out on that. Wait, they don't cancel the subscription after you're funded? Fuck that. Out on that. Out on that shiznick. They say you can't reset. Yeah, K man. That's why I try to give away take profit trader accounts, to be honest with you. I try to do take profit trader accounts every day in here because there is no cost of going to get funded. The only time I switch it up is when Apex goes to like 90% off, just so I could spread the wealth among like 6 or 7 people. Monthly fees are crazy. Fuck monthly fees. I should offer the 50K growth accounts. They are 90 all in. I will take a look. Yeah. Yeah, they press you to make, yeah, they press you. 1,000%. I mean, those are all the games. Yeah, Take Profit Trader has the best freedom. You could do whatever the fuck you want, daily payouts. You know, you could basically do anything but trade news. Well, oh. Oh man, what do we got? What do we got? Tradeify isn't bad either, but the 10 days feels like forever at times. Yeah. Yeah. Oh man. Bro. Dude. Hold on 1 second. I gotta fucking text this guy. Oh my god. All right. Tradeify, yeah. So yeah, if you're watching, we're gonna move to Discord in like 20 minutes, and we're gonna do my funded futures giveaway in there. Yo, the ultimate meat missile. What? Oh, you saw what I posted, bro. What? What is that? I don't even know what that is. I can't. I can't. I can't with that. Nah, you don't have to talk. If you don't want to talk, you don't have to talk. I think you got to raise your hand to talk. How's that sound? So it's not like everybody talks. You basically hit the button, you raise your hand, and then you could talk. And then also you could share your screen if you want. You know, just you pick what screen you want to share, just so you know. The fuck? My brother's a moron. Yeah. But yeah. So you can just hang out. Everybody can lurk. But I think like Dell's gonna show his computer. if Sean wants to, like whoever wants to can jump on and say what's up. It's not it's more like a hangout. I put the vote out. People wanted to do the afternoon Discord. So I said we'll give it a try today. I don't have the camera on me, which is good, so I can fucking eat. Yeah, so that's what I thought, Amelia. Other people can show and talk about trading. You know, people can type and ask questions to other traders, and you know, it's just something like that. That's what it's about. That's what it's about. Oh man, this is going for it. It's just so slow. So slow. That's true. You never know when you learn something from somebody. 100%. That's kind of why I wanted to do it. Oh man, just fake a bunch of people out. Oh man. Just freaking. Come on. What are we doing? It's freaking move. Move, bitch. Get out the way. If I had to guess what we're going to do, I would assume at some point. See this wedge? I think we're going to trade in this a little bit, and then we're going to break down. That's what I would be looking for. Probably trade up to the top, come to the bottom, just back and forth, and then we'll probably just dump it out. That's what I think will happen. Just watching it. Oh, man. What up, Alfred? Mama Tick in the house. What's up, Mama Tick? Anybody getting anything good for lunch? What's on the old lunch menu today? You don't usually trade Fridays? For me, it's 5. Oh. Your wife's going to ball gag you for lunch? Yeah, I mean, if you notice you're giving them all back on Friday. Come on. I mean, I like it. I just think that we're going to go down overall. You're getting right close into this order block up top. There you go, Alfred. Dude, who's playing this? Who's playing this fair value gap inversion? Better have a wide fucking stop. I'd want to see us come back down. Maybe I play it. Dude, the open's been hitting. I don't know if you guys even realize, but there's a couple trades a day that have just been crushing it. The open crushed it today. A couple of the drift plays crushed it. Yo, non-farm payroll crushed it today. Target 845. Baby. I don't know. I'm not in. Got to be in it to win it. If they come back and retest, maybe I grab a little biscuit here. Come on. It's just slow. Bro. Sean, that fucking gift that you just threw in the Discord is I think CT put it the other day. That shit's so funny. That's one of my top gifts. Boom, 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 boom. Should have fucking just went in. Should have just went in. I don't know. This is getting dicey here. You got a pivot. What do you got here? Yeah, I don't know. There's a lot of shit up here. Oh, is that where he got it from? Dude, that shit's hysterical. Yo, have a good day, Joseph. Let's see if it comes back. If it comes back down, I'll grab some. Flash crash it? I don't know, man. I don't know. It's not my. I can't take this short right now, to be honest with you. I got one of these accounts that don't have much in it. Bro, my garbage man's right outside. Fucking sounds. Yeah, it's in the breaker. I don't love it. I don't love it. I can see it going either way is the problem. I can see it rejecting right here and coming back down. Or I can see it going back up, going to 844, touching the pivot point. Like, there's too many things that I'm not like, oh, I need to get in this trade right now. You just inverted this fair value gap. Not that I would play that, but like it's just more bullish signs. Yeah, or the top. Like there's too many things that I would say you can target that we're getting close to that I'm kind of like, it's a gamble at this point. It's just a gamble. Oh man. Bro, CT, yeah, that's a I laugh every time I see it. Look how this is playing out. Let's see if it breaks. I almost want to take one. You probably get a bounce off of 807 if it dumps. See, it's just kind of grinding. Yeah. I don't know if I'm probably not taking it because I could see this just being like a little flag and they move it back up to like 51. The fact that we inverted right here. Let's see. This is how we get it to drop back down. I'll just grab one and we'll go back down. That's all it takes is me to just grab one and then all of a sudden it just breaks the trend. The trend breaker. That's it. The trend breaker. Yo, Dell, are you going to set up the thing or do I set it up? I don't know how it works. Like, do I set it up? Or it's always, it's always there. I don't know. Yo, how do I shut that off? Oh, there we go. It's already ready? All right, I saw it. Told you I was going to break the trend. I want to see if they bounce it right at this imbalance right here. Nope. All right. Come on. Horrible entry, but I feel like it's definitely going to just sell. Nah, I noticed. Take it off at the 200. I can start it off. I can start it off. So guys, couple things. One, if you want to support the stream, use coupon code CoveTrader below. It works at all the prop firms. I usually jump off for lunch, but we're gonna start trading live during lunch in the Discord. I'll kick it off, Del. If you want, go in there. Let me see if I could actually send it's on the left. It's called Lunch Crew. Actually, I'm gonna see if there's a different oh, here's the invite for Lunch Crew, actually. My bad. Here's the Lunch Crew invite. Carl, I appreciate the support of the stream, man. I hope you win some free accounts because that's where it goes to. Goes to free accounts. That's the Discord link. If you want, there's a different chat in there also on the right. You got to click the little chat bubble. You can ask questions. You can raise your hand to talk if you want to talk on the mic. But it's a time that, you can see other people's setup, other people's charts, other people's stuff. So also I don't have the camera on so I can eat. That's the biggest thing. That's why I shut the stream off, to be honest with you. I got to go get my food. I got to eat. But I am continuing trading through the day. So we're going to shut this off for now. I'm going to be back streaming on YouTube, though, at 2:15 today. We'll do an account giveaway later on. And we're going to do one on the on Discord as well. So come hang out. It's a great time to ask questions, too. So I will see you guys over there. I'm jumping off and heading to Discord. Peace.